Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can sum all data from all clients in Airtable. So here in this base I have 5 clients: Ali, Josh, Adam, David and Hamza, and uh, all of these clients spent money on my project. So let's say Ali spent 200 bucks. I entered their amount, and then Josh spent 150, and Adam spent $400. David spent 1,200, and Hamza just spent $100. So as you can see, all of them had spent some money. Now, if I want to take the sum of all of them, so I want to know the sum of all the money they all have spent. All I have to do is on the bottom, as you can see, it says empty. You have to click here, and it can say anything. It can say minimum, maximum, but you have to click on the bottom here, and you get a lot of options, but you have to select the first one that says sum. And as soon as you select sum, you see it shows us the sum of all of these fields, all of these rows, and the sum equals $2,050. So if we add them manually, 200 plus 400 plus 150 plus 1200 plus 100, we get 2050. So this way you can take sum of all data from all clients in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.